I can hear the sound of His coming everywhere, and the headlight resounding by a score. Oh, it will be another earthquake or just another war, but to every child of God, there's something more. Oh, I can hear the sound of marching, hear a song of battle cry. Then I know my Lord is coming. Even now it may be night, but when I hear the sound of His coming everywhere, they're getting louder and louder each day. But when crescendo until that great and final sound, when the trumpet shall call me away. But when crescendo until that great and final sound, when the trumpet shall call me home.